I've wanted to study medicine since I was about 5 years old.
After my A-level results came out, I found that they were not up to what I was expecting and they were not good enough to get into medical school in the UK.
I found out about SME because one of my parents' friends mentioned that their child is actually studying medicine in Bulgaria.
I decided to come to Sofia University because it's the capital. It's one of the top 100 in the world. I got together all my documents within a very short space of time thanks to the support from SME.
I was also given a biology and chemistry tutor, so if I had any further questions, they were there to help me when I needed help.
I received an email which had information about the relocation dates and information about what we would be doing once I arrived into Sofia for the next couple of days.
After we landed, we were picked up at the airport by SME and taken to the hotel in which we were given a briefing about all things that we needed for this upcoming few days.
So the next morning we went to various estate agents where the city manager had actually booked appointments for us to go for viewings and see the various accommodation that was around the city.
The registration process was also very simple, as all I had to do was gather my documents together and SME handled the rest of it, to the point where I didn't even have to go to the university.
A week after I came to Bulgaria, there was a networking event where I got to meet a lot of the first years that I would essentially be studying with for the next 6 years.
Living in Sofia is amazing. It's a lot better than what I thought it would be.
There's a lot of shopping malls with a lot of very good brands, also a lot of English brands too, so you're never really feeling out of place shopping here.
The course in Sofia is very interesting.
It is a bit difficult, however the lecturers are very good at making things easy to understand.
The lesson structure is always has a very practical aspect to it. For example, in anatomy we can use real cadavers, which we cannot use in the UK.
I'm very glad that I have SME on my side because it means that they're going to be there to support me through my studies for the next 6 years.
One of the major advantages with SME is the amazing support that they give you, both inside the UK and when you're here locally in Sofia.
To people wanting to study medicine in Bulgaria, I'd say go for it.
Do not hesitate and leave it to the last minute, because you might not be as fortunate as I was to get a place secured. Opportunities like SME don't come that often.